Very good morning, friends. I am Nalakshi Swami. In an effort to simplify my one asset, one trade strategy, I have brought two indicators, that is, combining trend direction and trend exhaustion indicators for profitable trades. I know it is difficult for all of you to grab the one asset, one trade strategy because it takes time. It takes time to get adjusted and master this strategy. In an effort to make it simple, I have combined other two indicators from the trading view, that is trend direction and trend exhaustion. That is very, very important. Trend exhaustion is very important where when the trend is going to fade out and the trend direction is very, very important. For the layman, not professional traders, it becomes difficult to identify the trend direction and also trend reversal. So, I'm making this your trade very simple. I'm showing you how to combine these two powerful tools, trend direction indicator and trend exhaustion indicator, to create a high probable trading strategy. The indicators used are trend direction indicator and trend exhaustion indicator. Because for my one asset and one trade strategy, we need trend direction as well as trend exhaustion. Previously, we identified with the help of RSI, and trend direction has been identified with the help of linear regression and time-wise weighted average price. So many indicators have explained it to you, function, polynomial regression line, everything. So here, if by using trend direction indicator, you might have learned about trend direction. When a price forms a higher high, higher low, then it is in an uptrend. If it is forming a lower low and lower highs, it is in downtrend. That is what you have read about it. But identifying this in the chart, it becomes difficult for you people. So make it simple. This trend direction indicator automatically plots everything on the chart so that you can clearly see on your own. Coming to the trend exhaustion indicator, this is a momentum-based indicator that highlights when a trend is losing strength. It is especially useful in spotting potential reversal or pullbacks, helping you enter or exit trades at the right time. That is the idea of this. Okay. The first step is to identify the trend using the trend direction indicator. If the price forms higher highs and higher lows, the trend is bullish. If the price forms lower highs and lower lows, the trend is bearish. So by confirming trend exhaustion, we are going to look for a signal from this trend exhaustion indicator. This signal often appears as a colored bar or dot on the chart, indicating that the trend is weakening. So, for example, in an uptrend, a trend exhaustion signal could indicate that the bullish momentum is slowing. That is what we need for that, and giving you a chance to book profits, or you can prepare yourself for a short trade in that particular asset. In a downtrend, the signal may suggest the bearish momentum is fading, signaling a possible reversal in the market. I have told you so many examples how to identify the reversals. To master that, it becomes a little bit difficult. So I am trying to simplify everything by presenting these two indicators. You can take the help of these two indicators to make your trading decisions. Let us go to the chart. Let us go to the chart. In the chart, I have applied these two indicators. Trend Exhaustion Indicator, which can be probably, it might have used RSI for the momentum oscillators they might have used for the coding this. Actually, in in the source code, it has not explained very clearly. So go to the indicator. If you type in trend direction helper, this is the one. Zigzag, support and resistance, higher high and low by Daviate. This you can apply on your chart. This is the indicator which I have applied. And again, for the trend exhaustion indicator, you can go for trend exhaustion indicator by cheat counting. Okay. See, these are the two indicators. I've applied it. See, it clearly complementing my one asset, one trade strategy. Here on Friday, this is an example of Bajaj Finance looking for a parabolic move within 2 days. That is what my strategy is involved with. So to capture a very good profitable targets, profitable in a quick profits within 2 days, by following the weekly template. You are all familiar with the weekly templates by now, and also box strategy, everything. So here, this indicator combined with zigzag, it is showing a pivot high. And also it is marking higher high and the market started coming down. This is a positive direction stock selection because it has moved from the low to the high. When it has moved from the low to the high, it has come down to within a single day, it has been dropped. And here it started making a box over here. You can see in this box, this indicator is plotting lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it is a range box. When complementing this trend exhaustion indicator, it has been color coded. That's why you are seeing the colors on the bars. If you do not want colors on the bars, you can go and uncheck this, not this indicator, this indicator. You can go there and uncheck allow bar color change. If I uncheck that, color bar change will go off. If the color bar is there, if it is confusing you, you need not apply. See here, the indicator is showing red alternating with the violet colors. And you can see the trend is exhausted over here. And correspondingly, you are saying the market is making a coming out of this box and making higher high, and you could have safe entry because when it comes above the box and making an higher high from this range box and making an higher low is a perfect entry, then there will be no hiccups in the market. That is an entry, perfect entry if you would have entered here. This has given almost 8.7% within, this is the day, Monday and Tuesday from Monday itself. You have to see for here. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So now at present, what is happening in the market is it is showing some sort of trend exhaustion. It is not confirmed because it has not gone below. It is forming a box now. We need to see whether trend has exhausted, but it has not come out of the box. If this indicator turns up and there may be continuation of the trend to the one more trend upside in this stock, like this. Or it may indicate downward move. You can capture the downward move if it starts falling below this, and if it plots lower low. It has to plot lower low. Then you can identify after plotting the lower low, if it pops up and if it makes lower high, then you can enter into the trade. And apart from this trend direction helper, it also plots the red line. You can see red line and the green dot in the line. These are the dots. It is showing the trend exhaustion dots. And sorry. And this indicator is plotting a pivots. These are the support and resistance zone. This is the resistance for 8596. It may not be correct. It may act as guidance for your trade. You can view because it has plotted an higher high over here and lower high over here. So it is showing some sort of exhaustion over here. Suppose if it comes down, still it is within the box. If it comes down, plots lower low and lower high, then you can catch the trend reversal in the Bajaj Finance for a parabolic down move, and you can capture this profitable trade. So this is an example how to take the trade. See, this is my one step, one asset, one trade strategy. Capturing the trade while it is making a box. Did you notice anything? Box making takes 2 days. Here also it has made, okay, let me remove the drawings. Here, 2 days, it has undergone through box. So trend is flat. Let me take the box. Here, it is flat. In this box, if you see, the box is making higher high and higher lows. There is no lower low formed. It can make lower low within the box itself. Lower low, and it can make a lower high and it can pop up also. So it acts as a guidance for you whether this trend exhaustion is for the down move or the up move also. You can decide yourself. So for that, you should completely not rely on this indicator. You should take the help of the indicator because it happens. It happens. Why it happens? In the market, live market, it becomes difficult for amateurs to decide the direction of the market. That's why you can take the help of these two indicators and supporting my strategy, one asset, one trade strategy, you can be profitable. Let us check any stock which is fitting our oversold position. See, it is plotting lower trend exhaustion has happened higher high and parabolic down move, lower high, and now it is plotting supports over here for the Asian paint. So still this stock is not ready. We need to wait for that. Let us check Berger Paints. No. Britannia, still down move, we can anticipate. It is continuously plotting lower lows, lower highs. So this is a parabolic down move from there. Higher high, lower low, and a box has been formed. And box breakdown, you can see here. Box breakdown, and if it is a measured move, we can anticipate the Britannia to 4,885, and it has plotted the supports around 4766 and 4742. It is plotting the pivots where Britannia can go because the trend has started from here. It has started the move from this level. So it is plotting the supports over there. If we come to ITC, ITC is coming down. We need to see whether there is any trend exhaustion. Trend has started from here to here. So with the ITC is coming to this range. Here we have to look for even you can, if it is confusing, you can go and look for RSI for confirmation. Still trend is down. So this is not the stock ready for that. HCL Technology. Now HCL Technology, we captured this momentum over here from this area. You can see correspondingly trend exhaustion. It was forming. Let me zoom it out. If you find this one zigzag, a little bit confusing, you can remove zigzag lines. Here you can see it formed the box so beautifully. HCL Technology. This is on Monday. Within 2 days, you have captured the parabolic move. Monday, it made a low. See, lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low. So indicating direction of the trend. Trend is picking up in this box. So we captured this HCL Technology, and within 2 days, this has given 4.21% parabolic up move, and now the trend got exhausted around this area. So it is plotting the resistance over here. You can see the pivots. From there, it started making an higher low, lower low, higher low. That means it is making a range box over here. It is again making a range box in this area. So this happens actually when the market moves. See, you could, from here, there was a parabolic down move. You can see from this box, higher high and the resistance has been plotted, lower high, lower low, higher low. It might have confused you, but this plots will help you to take the trade, even though it was confusing. The box has formed and it led to parabolic down move. If you could have taken trade around this area, that is Friday to Saturday, and Monday, it formed a lower low and there was a parabolic up move. So this stock, within 2 days, it has given 4.08% and equal pop-up around 4%. Yes, 4%. This is how, with the help of this indicator, an amateur can trade. Let us go to the Nifty. Whether it helps us or not, we'll see. Nifty, you are seeing higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, because it has, in this range, it has formed a lower low. It has plotted. Now, it is signaling some sort of, it is giving signals, but you should not take it, but it is showing support over here. That is around 23,637. In my morning video, just I plotted with the help of TWAP levels, so that I got the level. See here, you can see the trend is up. Clearly, trend is up. It is showing higher lows. And here, if I clone this, let me clone this. If I take it, see, it is making a higher high. So in this area, it has halted. It is a pause in the trend. It is not broken down. Only trend direction will change if it starts breaking below this range. See, up to this, there is higher low. If it starts breaking below 612 and trades below that, you can anticipate for a trend reversal in the Nifty. So isn't it wonderful? So you need not struggle to plot or locate higher highs and higher lows. Even in the range, you will not have any confusion by using these two indicators. So this is what I wanted to make you people to trade simple. That's why I brought these two indicators. Try to utilize, try to cross-check if there is anything. Even today, you can apply for this and trade wisely. I hope this video will help you to clarify your trades. You can trade with clarity. Step by step, I've explained everything. So go to my videos, all my videos are good. They are structured approach to one asset, one trade strategy. That is a trend strategy. You please go and see all my videos. I've used all relevant indicators which are necessary for identifying the trend direction and also locating the trades at the very discount area. Thank you very much, friends. I hope this will help you. Please do comment How do you feel about this video? How you are benefiting from all my videos? That will help me boost my confidence to bring out more such videos to help you people. So do subscribe and help me. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami, signing off.